Ready to discover a place where history, culture, and jaw-dropping views all come together? Welcome to Shirley Heights Lookout in Antigua, one of the most unforgettable spots in the entire Caribbean. Perched high above the iconic English Harbour, this viewpoint offers a panorama that honestly feels like it's straight out of a painting. You see the stunning coastline stretching out for miles, sailboats dotting the turquoise water, all under that brilliant Caribbean sky. It's the kind of view that just makes you stop and stare. The moment you arrive, you'll feel the magic. But Shirley Heights is so much more than just a pretty picture. It's steeped in history. All around you are these beautifully restored military fortifications. You can almost feel the stories in the old stone walls. This peaceful paradise was once a critical strategic point, guarding the island and its harbors. Walking around, you can explore the ruins, read the plaques, and imagine what life was like for the soldiers stationed here centuries ago. It adds this incredible layer of depth to the experience, connecting you to Antigua's rich past while you soak in its present-day beauty. Now, if you ask anyone about Shirley Heights, they'll probably mention one thing: the sunset. And let me tell you, it lives up to the hype. As the afternoon light begins to soften, the lookout point starts to buzz with anticipation. People gather along the railings, cameras ready, waiting for the main event. And then it happens. The sky just erupts in a symphony of color: fiery reds, molten golds, and deep purples. The warm glow washes over the historic buildings and the hills below, creating a scene so dramatic and beautiful. It's hard to describe. Every single sunset here is unique, a masterpiece painted by nature that you get to witness firsthand. It's a moment you'll remember forever. Just when you think it can't get any better, the party starts. Shirley Heights is famous for its legendary Sunday evening festivities. As the sun dips below the horizon, the air fills with the infectious rhythms of a live steel drum band. The energy is absolutely electric. The smell of delicious barbecue wafts through the air. People are sipping on local rum punch, and everyone is dancing. It's this amazing blend of locals and tourists all coming together to celebrate. You're not just observing the culture, you're part of it. It's a full-on Caribbean party with the best view on the island. The music, the food, the friendly faces. It's the perfect way to end the week, of course. If you prefer a quieter experience, visiting during the day is just as rewarding. The crowds are smaller, and you can really take your time exploring. There are lovely walking trails that wind through the lush landscape and around the historic ruins. You can watch the birds gliding on the warm breeze and see the sailboats glistening in the harbor below. It's a completely different vibe: peaceful, reflective, and incredibly serene. It shows just how versatile this place is, offering both high-energy fun and quiet moments of reflection. No matter when you visit, you'll find something special. Ultimately, Shirley Heights Lookout is the heart and soul of Antigua. It's this incredible fusion of breathtaking natural beauty, fascinating history, and vibrant local culture, all in one place. It's more than just a viewpoint. It's an experience that captures the true spirit of the island. Whether you're here for the adventure, the romance, or just to relax and watch the world go by, Shirley Heights delivers. You'll leave with incredible photos, yes, but you'll also leave with memories and stories that will make you want to come back again and again. It truly is a timeless treasure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel stories.